God, how are you doing? Today's another divine day, and we're coming out of the book of Joel, Joel 2, and today we are at the 26th verse. 26, that's 8 and 2, 10, and 10 means in the realm, the end of a cycle before you cross over into the new one. God is saying before you cross over today, my God, I have to give them to you as He dropped them to me. He said, this is the day that marks the end of your lock season. People of God, I don't know what has been your struggle over the years, but the Holy Ghost sent me today to tell you your dry days hence today. It's not coming to an end. Today, the 26th day, from the 26th day, we're at the 26th verse on the Joel 2. You hear the date? 226, 226, 10. Rikande wa usetaya. God is saying it ends, it marks the end of your dry season. It marks the end of every weeping that you have been shedding in silence, because as you get ready to march over into March, that will be your fruitful season as you start to receive the latter rain. So God is saying, you will have plenty to eat. You will have overflow left for you and your bloodline. The Lord your God will never ever allow shame to be your portion again. And you will praise the name of the Lord your God because you have seen His hands do great things for you. Get ready. Remember, today marks the end of the whole cycle. Everything that has been blocking you, stagnating you, and holding you down, God is saying it ends today. It's not coming to an end. It ends today. So get ready, because you will have overflow to feed your neighbor. You will have overflow to feed nation, just like that woman with the oil. Overflow until the containers, you run out of containers. So get ready, people of God. And on that note, I needed to grab a copy of my books there on Amazon. Breaking the Silence, Broken to Bless. Because guess what? God said I should drop that book right here. It is going to be your blessed season. It's going to be your divine and appointed season to receive blessing like never before. So people of God, grab the books. They're on Amazon.com. And also, you can also get a copy of Love Me Whole, Love Awakening from the Ashes, because you're no longer that broken child. You're the heal, hold person that needs all that the Lord have for you. So people of God, connect with us, voicesconsultingservices.com, so we can not only assist you in preparing for that level that the Lord taking you, but for you to start understand what it means to walk in divine restoration. Have a divine and thankful Thursday, because your Father is just getting started. Bless you, people of God.